Here is a fun and easy snack to serve at your Halloween party. To make these monster teeth, you need Captain Crunch, light green candy melts, and bone candies. Add your cereal to a large bowl. Melt the candy as directed and pour the mixture over the cereal. Toss the cereal to coat. Spread the mixture out on a parchment paper lined baking sheet and add the bone sprinkles. Place in the freezer for 10 minutes, break into pieces, and store until party time. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.